Hey, how's it going on, my friend? Have you been struggling generating traffic for your affiliate marketing or your Clickbank offers? In this video, I'm going to show you the #1 and the best traffic source for your affiliate marketing offers and your Clickbank offers for 2018. Clickbank users, affiliate marketing users, and how to finally get results with the right traffic method in this video. You don't want to miss this.
Oh, the habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is basically give you guys the best traffic method for business opportunities for affiliate marketing. Now there are a couple other niches that this does work for, but this more so specifically ties towards if you're promoting a make money online opportunity, right? Now, there is some health and wellness and fitness to where you can actually use this traffic source, but let's dive right in right now. You might have heard this term before, solo ads, but you probably haven't, don't understand exactly what it is, and we're going to go ahead and cover that within this video and show you guys a marketplace that you guys can actually tap into. So a solo ad is a form of advertisement, a list rental, if you will, that is sent out to an entire or portion of an email subscriber list. So with that being said, what you're simply doing, somebody who's a super affiliate who has a warmed up list, who's already been providing value to that list and actually growing that list within a specific niche, whether it's health, fitness, make money online. Now this is most common in make money online opportunities, is solo ads, right? So what is a solo ad? We just covered that, right? And what is a platform that you guys can use? There's multiple platforms. The one that I currently use myself, and the proof is in the pudding. I'm actually showing you guys 867 clicks bought here, 122 clicks bought here, 110 clicks bought here, right? Solo ads is simply how you guys can quickly get traffic to your affiliate marketing offers that are very targeted, right? Now, basically, what you do is you simply create an account, right? Let me see if I can. Well, you just go to udemy.com, and I'll actually supply a link below. You can grab access to the link below. There's a resource section in my description to where there's going to be something that says traffic, and within there is going to tell you a traffic source is going to be the link to this right here. You can actually get access to this and actually get a discount and a free trial, right? To where this is what I use, or one of the many traffic methods, but by far one of the best paid traffic sources, especially for beginners, right? Because when I first started affiliate marketing, I tried to do Facebook ads, but the thing is that Facebook ads don't work too well if you don't have a seasoned pixel nowadays, right? Before, back in the day, when you could promote anything, Facebook ads were amazing, right? But now you have to be more so of an expert or pretty good at Facebook ads to actually get results within your business. So with that being said, with Facebook ads, in order to be able to do those, you want a seasoned pixel, right? And one way you can do that is you could drive traffic with solo ads, right? And the leads that you get on, there's two methods, right? Number one is the leads that you get from your actual solo ad providers, right? You can go ahead and create a lookalike list, or even better, if you're able to get enough buyers from your solo ads on your affiliate marketing list, then you can actually grab the emails of those buyers and get even more targeted people, not only who are willing to opt in, but people who are making willing to make a purchase. You can make lookalike audiences with your Facebook ads, right? So that's the best way to do Facebook ads. But first, you need traffic to your sales funnels, and the best way is solo ads, right? So Udemy, especially for beginner. Now I do all types of traffic, but we want to focus on Udemy. How does this work, right? Now, it's very simple. You log into the back office. Once you've created an account, the easiest way is you can find sellers, right? And when you find sellers, you can look through these sellers, and you can read their information, right? Now, if you look 0, 2, 0, 4, right? These people really don't have too much credibility, right? And what happens is when you look at this one, right, 20, 60 cents, right, 20 and 8. She has 8 negative. That's terrible. Now, this person's buyers list, 90% tier 1, fresh and responsive leads only, free landing page tips. right? So they have 21 positives, right? That's pretty good. Now the best way to find the best people, right? Now they have pretty good stuff as well. So 250 to 500 fresh subscribers added daily. The reason why it's important to have fresh subscribers is because if you've been, somebody can have a list, right? But they're not going to be buyers if they send you to a dry list, meaning a list of people where they aren't fresh. They've just been beaten and battered and sent to business opportunity to business opportunity. So somebody who's and that could just be a pitch, but somebody who's adding subscribers to the list daily, that means it's fresh new traffic, fresh new targeted traffic. Now this person, just to show you guys, 587, so definitely credible, 40 cents, which is cheap, pretty good. Then we have Dana Solar, right? So 2,815. I'm going to go ahead and actually take a look at this person because they're charging 40 cents per click. So they're literally 25, no, not 25 cents. They're 35 cents cheaper, and they do have credibility, right? So you guys can get low cost per click sent to your sales funnel, especially for make money online opportunities, right? And next, solo deals, right? With solo deals, if you look, they have fire by people who are on fire and people who have a lot of orders. So this person, 39 cents, that's really cheap, and they have 982 orders. And look at their win rate, right? They're really good. They're getting really responsive reviews. And what's pretty cool about Udemy is that you can actually look at like people's ratings. So me, if I don't like somebody's traffic, I can literally give them a crappy review, like this person sucked. Now sometimes you're promoting a crappy offer to where these people is getting a really good reviews. They probably have really good traffic. The person who says a negative on the reviews, probably somebody who just had a shitty offer on the back end, right? Now, if you look at somebody like I showed you earlier, who had 20, look, imagine, I want to show you something really quick. This person has 434 likes, 2 dislikes, 587 likes, 2 dislikes, 629 likes, 5 dislikes. Now, if you remember that other person that I showed you, they had 20 likes, 8 dislikes. It's poor quality traffic, right? Stay the freak away. So with that being said, guys, Udemy is a trusted source where you can find quality traffic. And the best thing that you want to do is that you can do repeat buys with sellers. Meaning if you find somebody on Udemy and you did not like their traffic, cool. Move on to the next one. And then what's going to happen is you might find somebody who's freaking amazing quality traffic to where you're just going to stick with that person, right? You're going to literally use that person's list because it's just such quality traffic to drive traffic to yours to build your list. And this is what the people in the make money online industry, this is their little secret, their little traffic secret that they don't let people know. I could care less because there's a whole bunch of things that you also need to know. You need to know how to actually warm up that list, provide value to that list to where I'm not afraid of sharing my wealth, right? I'll go ahead and show you guys this. And at the end of the day, you need to know what to do with those leads, right? So with that being said, guys, there's a link in the description to where you guys can get access to it. There's messages to where people might actually message you. There's opt-in tracking, so you can actually track in opting. And the best way, because this is good that people can, you have good reviews and stuff like that. But I also use something called Clickmagic, partnered with this. And Clickmagic is so I can track if somebody's sending bots or false clicks or anything of that nature. So you'll be able to get access to Udemy and Clickmagic down below. And if you don't have a software to actually like create funnels to drive traffic to, yeah, you can use their funnels, but sometimes you want to have your own funnels, right? I literally have all the goodies that you need, and all the goodies that I use to crush it in affiliate marketing. They're all down below, right? So with that being said, I appreciate you guys so freaking much. One thing that I do want to give you guys access to is my ebook called Affiliates Playbook. With Affiliates Playbook, you guys can simply go ahead and learn the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, because there's a lot more to it than just driving traffic, solo ads, and list building, right? There's a whole another avenue. And for those who are extremely serious, grab access to my course, Jumpstart Affiliate. You can go ahead and go to jumpstartaffiliate.com or link in the description. You grab access to that course. And what's a little bit different is I actually am hands-on with my guys, and I do actually have a private mastermind group where I show people how to succeed in affiliate marketing and how to crush it, right? But here's my little secret nugget for you guys. Grab access to this. Create a free account below. Try it. Don't knock it until you try it. See if it's for you. See if this traffic method's for you. And again, down below in the description, you'll get all the goodies from me. Make sure you subscribe, join the family so I can help you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. Go ahead and smash that like button if you did gain value from this video. And last but not least, hit that notification bell so that way you can be notified first when I drop all my fire content on a daily basis. Now, with that being said, my friend, I appreciate you guys so freaking much. Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.